This is feedback for Arwa on our IC1. So far, I think a lot of good things here, but I think you need to work on your verb tense. So, like for example, here in the sentences, children in the past had mobile phones. Children in the past didn't have mobile phones. So you need to look for VT throughout your paper, fix those. Also, long word, meaning, and the technologies. So change, live, been more. I think you're trying to say live, or life was more. I think you're saying life with an F. So look for those. I want one more sentence here to make your intro fuller and better. Here I was saying the point needs to be first. So like we're doing in class, you need to say first reason why cell phones can cause health problems is blank, and then give your example. So reorganize this and make it better. I didn't really understand what you were saying in this sentence. This is all a run-on sentence. You need to break this up. So meaning it's one sentence and it should be 2 or 3 sentences in this whole end here. Make sure you correct your spelling errors. What else do I see here? SP spelling, missing a verb here, spelling. Please add an example here. And so last thing in this last body paragraph, I said it was hard to understand due to the language. You have a lot of grammar and spelling errors throughout this paragraph, and I just kind of can't understand what you're saying. So it's really important that you clean this up and make sure that somebody can read it and understand it. And then finally, your conclusion paragraph down here, some spelling error, wrong word. All right, make those changes and upload it into port 1, week 9.